Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and today I'm here to give you another review. Today I'm here to talk to you about the Samsung Note 9. It's been out for about a month, I think, and I've been playing with it for several weeks and kind of getting to know it. So, if you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of products, so please do hit that subscribe button and the like button. So let's get right into what you get when you buy the Galaxy Note 9. Cell phones nowadays are quite expensive. The Note 9 was over $1,000, so you want to make sure you do your research out there and figure out which phone's right for you. And give you an idea, I was upgrading from a Galaxy 7 Edge, so this was a kind of a big change to me getting to the Note, and so far I've been very pleased with it. So this is kind of the box that it comes in. It has it's very minimalist sleeve here. And then just opens up, and then everything's in there. Pretty straightforward for Samsung brands if you're familiar with them. Everything else, so I have a Verizon service, so you get booklets and stuff from Verizon. You get the little pin here. This is how you attach the SIM card, and then one of the big things I love about Samsung brands versus the iPhone or some of the other ones out there in the market is you have the option to put in a micro SD card and expand the memory up to quite a bit. So that's nice. So all my photos, everything goes to the SD card. You get some inside this bag are some extra earpieces in various sizes to get them to fit. You get a couple extra tips for the pen. This is how you can take out the pen, this little tool. You get a USB adapter to the new USB size. And obviously you get the brick station, a charging cord. It does take, like I said, it does take the new USB, that's standard. That's you'll find out in all kinds of computers. Then you get a pair of standard headphones by AKG. They sound great, and they have also the controls on them for if you listen to music, you can answer phone calls and everything. So these were a nice little add to it. But so here's the phone itself. Compared to the other phones I've had, it substantially weighs a lot more, and that's due, I think, to the battery. Easily, I go all day on a battery charge with no problem, and that's pretty heavy use. It has on it the fingerprint scanner, which is back here. It does also the Retina unlocking, which is really nice. And it's the biggest thing, that improvement, especially for my old phone, is the camera. So just like the the Galaxy S9, they have the two cameras. So one is an f1.5 and the other is a 2.4, and Samsung will switch between the two depending on the situation. Especially, it is great in low light. I've been very impressed with the camera. It's also awesome outside in a bright sunshiny day, taking pictures of buildings, whatever. Compared to some other phones, the only one, it still takes excellent portrait modes, but I will say Apple kind of edges it out slightly on the portrait mode. Now, the reason I would say that is Samsung has a better of making the photos kind of pop, where Apple's kind of made them look more natural. But they do give you the option too there's a little slider that lets you blur the background or put the background in focus, which I thought was really cool. Resolution's great. It is also very high powered. So on my old phone, I used to play like Pokemon Go and some of these other games, and the phone would noticeably get warm. I don't notice that at all with this. And matter of fact, it's so powerful. Samsung right now has an exclusive with Fortnite, so you can actually play Fortnite on this phone, which is pretty cool. It's got, like I said, it's got a ton of storage because of the extra SD card micro slot, which is right here. You kind of put the pin in and it pops out. The sound, like I said, it's great. It's meant for entertainment. And then a big difference with the Note, if you're familiar with this brand, is they come with the stylus. So the stylus is tucked away here, and this is it. So what's cool about the stylus is you can also use this as a remote control for cameras, so you can set your phone away. And another cool thing that I like is, you can take meeting notes, you can just write right on the screen, and it'll save those messages. So if you're sitting in a meeting and you're having to jot down something, or you've got a pen and paper, this works great. So that was a cool little feature that I've noticed with it. As far as so my wife has the S9, which I would say the phones are pretty caliber on the same thing. I would say this would be more geared towards business users, definitely because of the stylus, but they're both very, very powerful phones. This one's a lot, the gaming mode is a little bit better too. So huge improvement from the previous phone I had. So I've been very happy with it. I'll include a link down below, obviously, to like maybe Amazon, where you can check out other people's reviews and kind of check out more of the specs and see. So if you're in the market in this coming holiday season, if you feel you're giving away a phone or anything, I've been pretty impressed with it. I'm a happy customer. So like I said, this is a Galaxy Note 9, and please do, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and there's a picture of it, and subscribe to my channel. So you guys take it easy until the next review. Thanks. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.